Unlimited keys and unlimited diamonds all being added, propelling in our Whispers account just like that, guys. Yo YouTube, welcome back to my brand new tutorial. In today's video, your boy will show you how to get the Whisper sack and receive unlimited diamonds and unlimited keys all for absolutely free and within a few simple steps, guys. So your boy started some internet and I just picked up my phone, started recording for you. So without further ado, let me guide you through each and every step on how you can get the Whisper sack that is working phenomenally in 2025 for both iOS and Android devices. So without further ado, let's start by updating our Whispers mobile game to the latest version. So you can do that by opening up your App Store, Google Play Store, and just make sure that it is saying open. Right after that, go to settings, guys, and scroll down a bit. We will go to the battery section where we need to check up if the low power mode is turned off. So once it is off, guys, we're good to go. Also, the battery saver mode should be off for Android users. Now go back and go to general, then background app refresh, and just make sure, guys, that background app refresh is on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. And as you can see, we have prepared our mobile devices within a few simple steps. So now we can go ahead and open up our browser. Doesn't matter what browser you use, guys. What only matters is to type in this address right here. It will work magic for us because we can find here a lot of stuff. But once you scroll down approximately to the middle, you will see the Whisper sack. So guys, this Whisper sack will overwrite our already existing Whispers mobile game and grant us the unlimited diamonds and unlimited keys that we will be selecting and receiving them just after all of this has been completed. So let's enter our username right here. As you can see, select the platform that we are on, and right after that, we'll be selecting the diamonds and then the keys, guys. So you can select any amount, click on the continue button, and why is it unlimited? There are numbers right there because, guys, you can always go back and use it again and again. There are no limits to it. We will be receiving unlimited diamonds and unlimited keys all for absolutely free, as already mentioned. Now it is checking up if each and every step has been done just as your boy did. So please make sure to do it exactly so that we all receive our Whisper sack and play it like never before. So without further ado, let's continue to the next part. If you get this, do not worry, guys. Just click on device verification. The servers are probably overloaded and we need to do the last part manually. And what we need to do is, there's a final step tutorial, but you don't have to waste your time, watch it. We have some questionnaires right here and we have some apps. So questionnaires, we need to answer some simple questions in order for us to receive it, or download some apps which are all from the official apps for Google Play Store. So your boy will go ahead, download 3 of them, just like that. So Travel Town, for example, download and install this app, then complete level 9. Or Dice Dreams, download and install this app, then run it and restore Kingdom 5. Guys, for all of this, you will be doing it within 3 or 4 minutes at top. So let's just go ahead, download them. And I will be right back to see if we got the Whisper sack and unlimited diamonds and keys. So see you in a bit. Okay, guys, let's not waste our time. Your boy has done everything needed from me. Let's see if we got those unlimited keys and unlimited diamonds all being added, propelling in our Whispers account just like that, guys. Just make sure to follow each and every step that your boy has prepared for you, and you will be filthy rich in Whispers from now on, guys. You will be using it like never before and playing it just the way you want it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very useful for you as it was for me. If there are any questions, leave a comment down below. Your boy will be there for you. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.